In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Outlook Calendar with Google Calendar two-way synchronization. We'll walk through how to grab the exact calendar link from Outlook on the web that lets you connect your schedule to other apps, including Google Calendar. This is the key piece you'll need for syncing. Keep in mind, the link we're about to publish is typically read-only in other apps. That means updates you make in Outlook will appear where you subscribe to the link, but edits made elsewhere won't flow back into Outlook. True two-way sync isn't natively supported and usually requires a dedicated connector or third-party service. With that clarified, let's get your Outlook share link. First, open a browser and sign into your Microsoft 365 account. Using a modern browser like Edge, Chrome, or Firefox helps everything load smoothly. Once you are in, launch Outlook on the web. We're working in the web version because it provides the sharing and publishing controls you need in a consistent, up-to-date interface. In Outlook, go to the top right and select the Settings gear. A quick Settings panel opens. At the bottom of that panel, choose View All Outlook Settings. This takes you to the full settings experience where we can configure calendar sharing properly. On the left side, select Calendar. Then choose Shared Calendars. This section is where you control who can see your events and how they're shared outside your organization or across apps. Look for the area labeled Publish a Calendar. Here, pick the calendar you want to share from the dropdown. Most people use the default calendar, but if you keep separate calendars for projects or teams, you can select any of those instead. Next, choose the level of detail you are comfortable sharing. For example, you can publish only free or busy times to protect privacy, or allow viewing of event details if you want the full picture to appear in other apps. After selecting the calendar and permission level, click Publish. Outlook will generate two links, an HTML link and an ICS link. The HTML link is for viewing in a web page. The ICS link is the one you'll use to subscribe in other calendar apps, such as Google Calendar. Copy the ICS link and keep it somewhere safe. If you ever need to stop sharing, return to this same section and unpublish the calendar to invalidate that link. That's it for capturing the Outlook link you need to connect your schedule elsewhere. Remember, updates from Outlook will flow through that ICS link, though refresh timing can vary by app. Thanks for watching.